YouTube, what it do, man? Y'all already know it's your boy Ceostacks, man. I'm out here, I'm enjoying the breeze, you feel me? And y'all know I had to come drop some gems on y'all, man. Everybody right now wanna learn how to do digital marketing. Everybody wanna learn how they can take advantage of this digital era and make some money on the internet with digital products, you feel me? And I feel like I'm just gonna be the one that's gonna explain this to you straight up. No fluff, no extra shit, you feel me? I'm gonna just give you the game straight up. So as you can see by that title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how you can create an ebook like this. I'm talking about the fastest way you could create an ebook and how you can start making sales and start basically bringing in passive income from a product that you only created one time. I done made over $100,000 from digital products within the last 6 months. I just learned about digital marketing literally last year in April. You know what I'm saying? So it's been officially a year now. I'm now a 6-figure entrepreneur because I learned how to monetize my social media through digital products. So y'all know I gotta get y'all the game, man. So make sure you watch this whole video and like the video. I'm gonna have to do a screen recording just to show y'all how simple this is. This video not even gonna be long. You'll have your first ebook or ebooks done today and be ready to start making sales today. If you don't already know what an ebook is, you know it's pretty self-explanatory. It's basically a digital book. Instead of a physical book, it's a digital book. Ebook is basically meant to get straight to the point. You're teaching somebody something, helping somebody reach a desired outcome through your ebook. Your ebook is a digital product. For instance, if you are a fitness coach and you know how to lose 10 pounds in 14 days, your ebook is going to be given direct instructions on how to do just that. You're going to be able to then sell your ebook to those people who want to get those types of results. And that's how you're going to start making this money. But I'm going to show you how AI literally changed everything. Now that we got ChatGPT, it became so much easier for you to create an ebook. So it's no excuses on why you haven't started getting into this digital marketing game yet, man. If I can make 6 figures out of this shit, and I'm coming from a situation where I was doing Lyft, I was doing DoorDash before I started. I knew nothing. I didn't have a crazy following. And you don't need followers. I didn't have a prior experience, none of that. And I was able to come into this business model and actually change my life. So I'm about to give y'all the game straight up. I'm going to show you how you use ChatGPT and Canva to create your first ebook. All right, if you don't already, you just going to go to your app store and you're going to download ChatGPT. This is how you're going to get access to being able to create this ebook in just a couple of seconds. It's going to be this white app right here. Download that and then you're ready to go. Next step, we're going to just go ahead and open the app. And now we're going to come up with an ebook idea. You can type it in, you can speak it in, whichever one you choose. So the ebook idea for this video, we just going to go with how to quit alcohol. As you can see, I said to come up with 10 chapters, each chapter being one of the most important steps when it comes to quitting alcohol. And I said include 2 to 3 paragraphs for each chapter. So it even came up with a title. The title was 10 Essential Steps to Quit Alcohol and Take Control of Your Life. And as y'all can see, man, I'm just going through the chapters. If you want to pause and just read the type of information that ChatGPT was able to come up with, it's just crazy. And it really came up with 10 chapters with 10 different subjects that are very important when it comes to quitting alcohol. This is literally your whole ebook right here. You got all 10 chapters and you literally just copy and paste. Now, literally all you do is open Canva. You can type in ebook covers right here on Canva. And once you click ebook templates or ebook covers, what's going to pop up is a bunch of different made for you templates that you can literally use to basically create your ebook. You know what I'm saying? They formatted for you already. I clicked on one that was already formatted for me. As you can see, this came like this, and you can just literally switch it around however you want to. What I do is I go to Google and I get my pictures from Google. Whenever you're trying to rebrand your ebook or, add some flair to your ebook, all you gotta do is just type in whatever topic it is you're looking for. Now you just save these pictures to your phone and you can use these pictures for each page of your ebook. Simple. Now when you get back to Canva, you're gonna click them 3 lines on the top left. The 3 lines on the top left, and then you're gonna click upload files. Once you click upload files, you can upload the pictures that you want to use for your ebook. And then after that, you just gonna click replace at the bottom left. Click replace, press the picture. Now you got a new background, a new cover for your ebook. And then obviously you can change the fonts to however you want. You can also change the color of the words however you want. And this is just going to allow you to play with this a little bit and make your ebook stand out a little bit more. Remind y'all, I'm doing all this off of a phone too. You can do this on your computer and it'll be even simpler than this. But you want to go back to ChatGPT and you literally can just copy and paste each chapter and put it into Canva. It's really that simple. This is why ChatGPT is so powerful right now. If you're not using AI to help you in your business, you just working backwards. You copy the first chapter, go to the bottom, and you want to scroll all the way until you see more, and then you want to hit add new page. Now you have a new page. Now with the pages in your ebook, you want to make sure that the color scheme is cohesive throughout the whole ebook. So y'all seen the color of my cover page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find a color that kind of matches the scheme of my first page of my ebook. And I just want to keep it consistent. Now that I got the background color I want to use, you're going to scroll at the bottom and you're going to hit text. Then you're going to hit add a text box. And literally from here, you just copy and paste. So you're going to be able to do this for each chapter. And of course, this is going to look a lot better on a computer. Now, at this point, it's just about, changing the color of the words to your liking. Of course, making the fonts to where they're readable. So I'm going to just shrink it up a little bit right here. And y'all already know from this point, you can just design it however you want. You can put a picture in the background. I already showed you how to do that. This is where you can get creative and you can style your ebook however you want to style it, whatever makes you feel comfortable. And from there, all you do is just rinse and repeat that process for each chapter, and you'll have yourself a well put together ebook within 30 minutes. Now, as y'all can see, it's really that simple. That's as simple as it gets. That's how you can start your ebook, make your ebook, whatever niche you choose, whatever topic you choose. There go your ebook right there. You can create that in less than 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I was using my phone, so it's a little more extraneous to do it on your phone, but you can still do this with just your phone. If you got a laptop, even better. And you're going to market your ebooks by using social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and start promoting these ebooks, man. Promote your product. Start making good content based around your product. For instance, with that ebook on how to quit alcohol, a lot of my content on my Instagram is going to be based around the benefits of quitting alcohol, the health benefits, the mind benefits, how it fixed relationships. You might can throw some inspirational, some motivational content, where you just, talking about everything that can happen for your life once you do give up alcohol. People are going to start becoming attracted to you as a person, and also this is how people are going to become customers, because they want to do what? Solve a problem. But you now have the solution to their problem in your ebook. Now let's just say you don't have an ebook idea. You know what I'm saying? You stuck. You don't really know what to create. You don't know how to market. You don't know how to list your products, and you just want to get into this as fast as possible, and you want to start learning everything about digital marketing, and you want to start earning too. You want to start getting to the bag. This is exactly how I made my first $50,000 to $70,000 in digital marketing. You can take advantage of done for you digital products. So let's just say you don't want to take the time out to create your digital products. You don't really got no ideas. You can take advantage of PLR products. What are PLR products? PLR products are products that are already done for you. All you have to do is rebrand them. You know, just customize the pictures, change the fonts up a little bit, you know, change it to your own style. You rebrand these products and you can sell these products for 100% profit. Now, the best part about PLR products is that they're already proven to sell. These are ebooks that were created by six-figure earners. I have a whole PLR product vault that has 12 done for you digital products, and I actually pulled these resources from a high ticket course. You know what I'm saying? I actually gathered all of this information and I put it into a bundle so that I can help you start your digital marketing business without having to break the bank, without having to create your own products. And this is how I started in the beginning. 12 done for you digital product bundle that has over $700 worth of information. I created that and I'm giving it away for $47. I'm giving it away for $47. I used to sell this bundle for $147 and I even sold it for $97 at one point. But I'm giving it away for $47. This is going to be the first link in the description. This is how you can start taking advantage of done for you digital products and get paid for work that you don't even have to do. If you look at each of these digital products, you learning something different from each one. These are going to help you be able to scale and launch your digital product business. You get a stand store guide to help teach you how to list your digital products. You get a digital wealth guide. This is going to teach you how to create your digital products. Even though I just showed you, it's other ways to go about it as well. And it's going to go more in depth. All of these ebooks are like 50 plus pages. You get a faceless reels guide. This is all a game on how to start a faceless Instagram account and start making money with digital products. You get a viral reels guide. This is how I grew my Instagram from 0 to 50,000 followers in less than a year. From literally reading this viral reels guide, I learned all of the strategies on how to create viral content. 111 ebook ideas. You struggling to come up with ideas? You can piggyback off of these ideas. You get a social media planner just to help you stay organized. Man, you get a whole faceless TikTok marketing guide so that you can learn how to market on TikTok. All of these ebooks right here are ebooks that you don't have to do none of the work. All you do is rebrand them, and then you can sell them individually, or you can sell them as a bundle the same way I did. But either way, this is how you can start making money today. You can literally take advantage of this bundle today and list these products on your website and start your digital marketing journey today. Start marketing today. This is the way I would start if I was just starting out in the beginning and I knew nothing, because you're going to learn the necessary skills you need to learn from this bundle, and you're also going to be able to earn from it too. This bundle has already made one of my students $10K plus in a month. We getting people making $500, making their first $500 to $1,000 days. I told y'all I made my first 50 to 70K strictly from done for you digital products. So now I'm giving you the opportunity to start the same way. 2025 is the digital era year, man. This is the year where the digital era is just taking off. People quitting their jobs, people learning how to make money on their own, starting their own businesses. This is what's setting people up for financial freedom right now. Digital marketing, man. So I just gave y'all a blueprint. I showed y'all 2 ways y'all can go about starting today. The fastest way is the best way. Always remember that. Success loves speed. And I'm giving y'all basically the steal of the year. You feel me? If I had to start from scratch, I would start with this bundle and I'll be making 5 to 10K within the next 30 to 60 days. Easy. You know what I'm saying? All you got to do is stay consistent with your content and continue to market, man. Continue to learn and market. You can have your first 10K month, your first $500 day. Easy. You feel me? But other than that, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all got some value from this video. And yeah, leave a comment, man. Let me know something. I told y'all the link to the whole bundle is the first link in the description. act now because you don't have a lot of time to act on this opportunity. So act now, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. I'm out.